find using stencils really exciting because it allows you to play a little bit more, you know, before you start working, playing with the shapes and the forms. It also allows you to use these positive and negative shapes on top of each other and create a whole exciting effect when you layer. I mean, you can see some of these stencils are extremely well used. This is my temple stencil, and I'll never make another one. And this is the one that I love to use. It just was amazing, and it's worked really well over the years that I've made it.